So I got this bird cage heater. It's waterproof and it's really flat. And you see the back? It connects right to the cage with 2 screws. You see it? It was $33.97 on Amazon. Now I live in Chicago and it's brutally cold in the winter. Like it could go a whole week like 10 degrees, 15 degrees. And I do have my central heat, but you know, parakeets and budgies do get extra cold sometimes, and they're so fragile and small. So something just told me to get a bird cage heater for them. So it came in this little box. Okay, so there's the side, and there's the back. Like I said, it has these 2 things. You can easily connect it to the cage. And then it has this coil, right? I'm going to show you. Okay, I just want to be gentle with that. And the coil has this end part. See it? There it goes. There it goes, right there. Right there. There it goes. See? Now this connects to the one-piece wall mount. It goes right into the connection in the wall. So there it goes. There it goes. See? Now this connects to this, which is what connects to the wall. Easy, right? Okay, so I'm going to try to connect it right now. Put it in their cage. It's just a regular cord. And let's open it. And then it came in this little box, and it was only $33.97. I got it in one day. So if you have like drafts or just afraid that at night they're going to get a little chilly, you know I have central heat, but it goes on and off. You see? There it goes. So we're going to put it up. I'm going to put it up right now. And let's see how long it takes. I'll let you know in the video when I connect it and when I put it up. Okay, now it's flat. It's waterproof, which is good. Because you never know. You know, they could splash water on it, or I could splash water on it. You just don't want anything to happen. So it's waterproof, $33.97. It came in one day. I ordered it yesterday on Amazon. It has 2 little latches on the back, and the coil connects to the adapter, the wall mount. There it is. Okay, let's see what happens. Wish me good luck. I'm gonna put it up right now. Popcorn and Angel are just waiting for me, wondering what I'm doing, because I had to take a little corner off of their toys, which I'll put back up when it gets warm again. So let me show you where I plan to put it. In the little corner right there. You see? Here, let me open it. Hi, babies. Hi. It's barely 7 o'clock and it's dark out. Right there. Right there in that space. Right in that corner. Because they always sit right there. And they're always together right there. On the pet cam, I always see them together right there in that corner. So it's good. They sleep up here. And they sleep on the swing. So I don't want to put it up there. I don't want them to get too hot. So when they feel cold or a little, you know, they want to be a little warmer, they could just jump down right there in that little corner. So wish me luck. Okay? You're not going to be nice and toasty and warm, babies? They're ready for bed. Okay. I'm going to put it up now. Bye. Boom. Okay, it's up. You see it? There it goes. There it goes. I put their toys back. They kind of freaked out at first when I did it. Of course, they're like, what is that? What is that? And I put it on right now. So it's right there. So it's in the corner where they hang out and play with their toys. And they got scared at first. Popcorn usually notices everything. She's always on guard. She's like, what is that? So she flew away and then she was okay. So I put it in, I connected it, and I'm going to show you the back right now. So give me a second. I'm going to bring the camera out. Look at these cuties. Now you're going to be warm. I just put it on like 3 minutes ago. But I'm going to show you how it looks in the back. So hold on a second. Look at you cuties. You're going to be nice and toasty. Nice and toasty. Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, here it goes. See? It was easy. It took me 5 minutes. And that's the light indicator. Hello there, my beauty baby dolls. Hi. Oh, they're tired. They want their treat and they want to go to sleep. So there it is. It's very thin. You see? Very thin. Doesn't make no noise whatsoever. So it will not disturb their sleep. I like it. It got good ratings on Amazon. So that's why I looked at a lot of them. I looked at least 5 of them and I picked this one. Because I have the highest ratings and it said it was quiet. And there's the connection. Regular connector. And it's a long cord. Look at all these feathers. Oh, my babies are molting. One of them's molting. I think it's Angel. She's molting again. Okay, so there it goes. Easy to put up. Quiet. It was $33.97, $34. Free delivery came in 1 day. So if you live in a cold state and you worry about them getting chilly at night, I recommend this heater. I'm gonna fill it right now. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I feel warmth. Yeah, I just put it on like 3 minutes ago. Yeah, you see how it is? It's so noisy outside, but there it goes. You see how quiet it is? Uh-oh. There it goes. Very quiet. So see, I have a little platform right there with their toys, so they always go on there. So that's good. Okay. All right, baby. So you're going to be nice and toasty. Oh, my babies. They're ready for bed. Okay, good night. And, well, I never thought there was a cage heater, but there it goes. Okay, bye.